Come on then. Come on. This is only, these birds have been in for the past, what, 3 days, 4 days, because it's been too windy here for me to let them out. Just because sometimes when the wind catches the younger ones, they get carried away up the road, down the road, away over there. Before you know it, you've lost them. So, this is them enjoying a bit of sunshine. There's 37 youngins here now. I've still got about another 19 to come out of this loft. There you go, eh? Team's getting bigger now. They're all getting a bit stronger. There's some wee ones here. I only put through about a week ago, so sometimes when they try and go up to the roof of the house, you know, the wind catches them and it carries them away. So I've done well to hold these wee birds. I've not even been up for a fly yet. They've not been up to burrow around the house or anything, or group fly or anything. So I've just been holding them and holding them and holding them. Come on in. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on in. Come on. See that wee pie there? That wee pie is just a baby. See, I think I put him through about 4 or 5 days ago. Come on, come on. You can see mixed ages there among them, eh? You know, you can see some older birds and some younger birds. So they've not been up for a fly, like I've said. It'll not be long though. Normally I've been letting them out for about half an hour, half an hour, half an hour. So the day I'm going to let them kick about for about an hour. And they've got a good feed yesterday, so every time I feed them I give them a full crop. And whatever grub's left, take it away for them. Come on in, come on in, come on in. Come on in, come on in, come on in, come on in, come on. There we go, settle down, come on. There we go. One thing I didn't need them getting is a fright. See, it's still a bit blowy here, but I'm just cautious. Come on, come on, come on, come on in. See that wee blue whitefly up there? See him stretching his wing out? That's just a baby. That wee blue there, a wee blue whitefly, that's just a baby. Come on, come on, come on. There's a wee blue there with his back to us. And there's one at the bowl. Come on in. See the ones at the top there, eh? See, they're enjoying the sunshine. Come on, come on. Come on in, come on in, come on in, come on. And always make sure before you let them out that you check their crops, so that there's nothing retaining food in their crops. Handle about half a dozen, 10 of them before you let them out, just in case you've maybe got a wee touch of young bird sickness. So they birds are 100%, 100%. Come on, come on. Come on in. Come on in, come on. There they go, come on in. Hello, hello. You can tell that wee fella's young. She's not quite got a waddle yet. Wee checker's young, wee pied's young. There's another wee one there. Some of them are powder blues, because when they molt they're going to turn a bit, their blue feathers are going to turn a bit lighter. Come on, come on. Come on in, come on in, come on in, come on in. There we go, come on in, come on in. Come on. The young folk try to. Come on, come on, come on. There we go. Come on. Come on. Come on in. So no doubt when they take up there'll be a good, probably a good 20 ready to catch. I see, look at that cock that's just come out the ball there now. You can see he's got a good bit of age about him. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on now, come on. See what I mean? Watch this. Up on the roof. He'll come back down again. Come on. Come on in. Come on. There you go. There you go. Come on, come on. See, that's what you want them to do. That's what I want them to do now, is just jump from the loft to the roof, to the roof to the loft. As long as they do that probably the day for the next 2 or 3 days, fine, but I think after that they're going to take off. You know, they'll take up. Which is not a bad thing because, you know, oh, it's time some of them were up anyway. Come on in, come on. Oh, look at them all standing like statues, eh? It's a good idea to always look above you because they make sense of hawk. Ah, they're alright. Come on, come on. Oh, see, that's what I want. Just wandering about the roof, back down to the loft, up to the roof, back down to the loft. As long as they do that, I'll be happy. Come on, come on, come on. Whoop, 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 whoop. There they go, see? There they go. There's one up. Now let's see what happens here. There it's burling, it's burling, it's burling. It's burling, it's burling. Come on, it will catch, it will come down. There we go, there you go. Whee! Back down again. There you go, see what I mean with the wind? Come on, come on, come on. I know, come on, come on, come on, come on. I'm not taking these in there now, you can stay out. There you go, eh? Right then, I'll catch us all on the next video. Cheery cheery.